From the heightened political tensions to COVID restrictions, many parents are concerned about their kids' mental well-being.
And rightfully so. Joining us live this morning is Andrea Pascarelli. She is a senior clinical psychologist at the Child Mind Institute and the Anxiety Disorders Center. Good morning to you, and thanks a lot for being with us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Of course. I'm sure you were up watching last night, coming off last night's hostile presidential debate. How do we talk to our kids about politics, and what should parents keep in mind when discussing politics so passionately at home?
Very tricky, right? It was a certainly intense debate. I think one thing to really keep in mind is that kids are really aware of what's going on. Even if we think they're not paying attention, they're very much dialed in. I think one thing parents can really do is monitor our own reaction and feelings, and even try to kind of get them talking about it. And I think one of the key things that parents can do best is validation. So really listen to what they're saying, giving them an opportunity to really talk. And one thing I really like, even for younger kids, is get them involved. Volunteering, donation as a family, things like that, to really get them active. And I try to always lead with a little bit of hope or end with hope, and I think that could be really important as well.
Yes, doomsday endings to conversations are never good. How do we help kids manage fears and answer tough questions when we ourselves might be anxious and uncertain?
Yeah, and I think one of the things we talk about a lot is really managing our own self-care. And I know it seems simple, and many of us think we don't have time to manage our own self-care, but I think that's one of the most critical things we can do for our children. If we're managing our self-care and kind of monitoring our own anxiety and stress, we're less likely to have it kind of bleed over to our children, and often kind of contaminate and kind of create them, becoming a little anxious as well.
Let's talk about challenges related to virtual learning. I have a nephew in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and he can sit in front of that iPad, and I mean, he could be on there for hours, playing games and, watching YouTube. But how do you help kids overcome distractions, especially when it comes to learning?
Yeah, it's so tricky. So I have two boys, and we're also doing remote learning, and there's no formula for this. We are not supposed to inherently know how to do this. I think we have some time under our belt at this point. I think a couple of key concepts are organization as best we can, helping them, even the older ones, with planning, organizing. I think also just a lot of flexibility, because these are really difficult times. And so we know we're going to make mistakes. We know we're going to, fall off course, but how can we get back on and engage? I think a key component too is, regardless of what learning environment you're in, is really collaborating with teachers. I think kind of forming a team approach is really critical, especially now.
And health officials have been saying no social gatherings for Halloween and now Thanksgiving. How do we help our kids cope with bad news and disappointment?
Yeah, I think that's a key element we've all been managing. And I certainly have heard, not just from my own children, but clients I work with, that disappointment is such a primary feeling right now. Again, I think leading with validation and really actively listening, acknowledging their disappointment and sadness, and trying to kind of instill a little bit of hope that, this is not going to last forever. This is for right now, and we're really in this together. I think looking at alternatives, safe social distancing, when appropriate, I think is really important, just to really keep those connections. And again, leaving them with a little hope that we're going to get through this. We're in this together, and we're figuring it out together. And
I was just about to echo those words, Andrea. Thank you very much. It's just so cool and very calming to hear from you with the overall common denominator, leave your kids with hope. Hope is everything.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you. The best of luck to you.
Thank you for having me. Take care.
Self-care is so important, because if your cup's empty, you can't fill another cup, they say.
Preach.
So whenever I'm having a tough day, I have to make sure I get my mind right before I go with Austin and spend some time with him. I try not to bring my stressed self to him, but it's hard.
It is.